Let's do a quick overview of processing a simple batch in Union Impact. We start off by going to the Payments component and then going to the Batch Payments menu. We select Create a new batch. The options for recording a batch are Batch by Employer, where we can input the entries of members made by a specific employer, Self-Pay Batch, where we can input all the self-pays for a specific time period, regardless of the employer they worked for, or Batch by File, where we can upload an Excel file of members and their withholdings, and our system will match up the individual payments to each member for us. In this example, we're going to select Batch by Employer, where here we will select our employer and go to the next page. On this page, we will fill in the summary details and the totals for the batch, such as the batch description, the date the batch was for, the total amount of the batch, the number of members for the batch, and then we go to the scenario option. In the scenario, we have three preloading options for the list of members. The existing charges will load all the members working for the employer that already have some sort of a balance. The previous batch will load the exact same members that would previously process for this employer. And active members, which will load a full list of all the members that work for the employer. Additionally, if we have a scanned copy of the paper batch, we can upload the paper copy in here for reference. In the second step, we go into the detailed list of the batch of members, and we verify that the amounts we received from the totals and the count of the members matches the specific amounts that we expect from the batch. We do this by checking each member and the amount that was withheld from them. We can also remove any members that don't exist in the batch from the preloaded list, or add any new members that shown up in the new batch. Once our total member and amount count matches the expected counts, we can save the verification and go to step 3 for final review. Here we can do a final review and see any discrepancies in the batch. We can also make final adjustments either in the member's profile or in the disbursement of money of the batch. Once we are done with our review, we click Approve to finish and process the batch. Keep in mind that this is just a small sample of our batch process. Our customization team will work with your union to make sure that any additional payment logic incorporated into the batch process will be applied in Union Impact. To learn more about how Union Impact can improve your payment system and your batch payment recording process, ask for a demo at unionimpact.com.